Today is the second CANstruction event in Long Beach, and we are really happy to have so many architecture and engineering firms participating. Their creative sculptures are really incredible and imaginative.
CANstruction is an event that allows local design and engineer firms to put their creativity to use using canned and non-perishable foods to build structures, sometimes under a theme, and then the food benefits local food banks, and it's a nationwide event.
The theme for CANstruction is breakfast can make a difference.
So this is an image of an egg being broken over a pan.
Someone said, who hasn't had cold pizza for breakfast? That was our idea right there.
CANstruction is important because it highlights the need for good nutrition.
We are donating all the food to Food Finders.
Food Finders is a food rescue, food recovery nonprofit. We collect donated food from a variety of vendors, and we deliver it directly to agencies, pantries, and shelters who feed others.
Food Finders is a superb organization in terms of meeting some of the hunger issues. CANstruction is hard work for a good cause.
Not only that, it's a great team building exercise for architectural, engineering, and design firms.
You can find out all about this at foodfinders.org, or you can call us at 562-283-1400.